Good morning. It's the most beautiful day today, and Chloe and I are off to feed some goats. What do the goats say?
Bad.
And what do we think that the goats eat? Do they eat ice cream?
No.
Do they eat bananas?
No.
Do they eat waffles?
No. It's my apple.
What do we think that the goats eat? Milkshakes?
No.
Okay, let's go find out.
Let's find out. And when this doing?
The same, honestly. They look like they could be siblings sometimes, I swear.
One day, Chloe wore Lloyd's orange sweater that we always put him in, and Kalia and I were...
So cute. Oh my gosh. I think he burped, Chloe. Do you need more? Here, Chloe. Ah! You want some?
The grass. It's always
Okay. Wow, what kind of flower is that? Moo. Look at his horns. You see his horns? They're huge. Mango?
a mango.
Good morning. Today is Tuesday and it's my bestie's birthday. So we're gonna do this little, it's not really a hike, it's just like a walk. That's enough hand sanitizer. That's perfect. You can take that and rub it all in. You just need like a little drop. It's just like a nice walk, and then you go to this like beautiful like pond stream situation. So we're gonna swim around there. We might go to the beach. Not sure yet. But yeah, so we just drove like an hour and 15 minutes. I had to pee so bad, literally from the moment we left the house. But I was like, okay, we're gonna make it. I really don't want to stop. And of course, an hour and 15 minutes in, like literally just around the corner, they were doing tree trimming. So we had to sit in place for like 10 minutes. We made it to the bathroom. The bathroom was exceptionally clean, which was a nice treat. Oh boy, we need new windshield wipers. No, let's not do that. Dry, it's, yeah.
Yeah, Mommy.
The weather's been kind of spotty, like rainy off and on, so we'll see how we fare. All right, let's get ready to go for a walk. Excuse me. Excuse me. We're on cruise control too? Oh my gosh, you're too funny. Morning. We are just about to head out to a doctor's appointment, but I thought I would do a quick bump date. I am currently 33 weeks. This is the belly. Okay, let's go press the button. Bottom button. Bottom button. Boop. Bottom button. Bottom. Chloe's French fry. I don't know how I got so lucky, but I'm on a solo ice cream adventure right now. I got the cookie butter flavor.